Good morning students. Today we are going to study oxidation and reduction reaction. As in the previous class I told you that these two are complementary of each other. That is अगर oxidation है तो reduction भी है, अगर oxidation नहीं तो reduction भी नहीं. First we try to understand them and with the help of some examples. Oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means addition of oxygen. अगर किसी केमिकल में ऑक्सीजन ऐड हो रही है तो वो उसका ऑक्सीडेशन है. फॉर एग्जांपल मैग्नीशियम, एज फर्स्ट जो रिएक्शन आपने पढ़ी थी फर्स्ट पेज पे, मैग्नीशियम प्लस ऑक्सीजन चेंजेस इनटू मैग्नीशियम ऑक्साइड. बैलेंस द रिएक्शन 2Mg plus 2MgO. So this magnesium get oxidized in MgO. Opposite to that, removal of oxygen will be oxidation. Removal of oxygen will be reduction. Example, copper oxide when react with hydrogen gas, it changes into copper plus H2O. So copper oxide having the oxygen but it changes into copper during the reaction. So it is a reduction of copper oxide into the copper. Reduction of copper oxide into the copper. Opposite to that, another reaction, another explanation. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. Removal of hydrogen is oxidation. You read electrolysis reaction, H2O on electrolysis changes into H2 plus O2. So in H2O, oxygen having the hydrogen, but here it has no hydrogen, so H2O get oxidized into the oxygen. Water get oxidized into the oxygen. So this is a reduction process due to the removal of hydrogen. Opposite to that removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen is reduction. Addition of hydrogen is reduction. For example, hydrogen react with chlorine in presence of sunlight, changes into twice HCl. Chlorine no hydrogen but it changes into HCl, that is having hydrogen. So this is the reduction of chlorine into HCl. Is it clear? So in this way we can explain them. Oxidation, addition of oxygen, reduction, opposite to that, complementary part of that, removal of oxygen. Now oxidation, removal of hydrogen, complementary part, addition of hydrogen. So in this way oxidation and reduction process are opposite to each other and you are very able to very well explain these two, or you can identify the reaction or you can identify पर्टिकुलर केमिकल इन द रिएक्शन कि किसका इसमें ऑक्सीडेशन हो रहा है और किसका इसमें रिडक्शन हो रहा है. नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू स्टडी एक्टिविटी नंबर 1.1. We take china dish and we take a small amount of copper powder in it. Now we heat it. What will happen? After some time, this brown copper coated with black coating due to the formation of CuO, copper second oxide. So in this reaction, now you see carefully, this copper having no oxygen, but on heating with air, it changes into second copper oxide, copper second oxide. So it oxidized into copper oxide. Here copper get oxidized into CuO. So now what is the criteria? Addition of oxygen is there, that's why it is a oxidation process. Now, if we pass hydrogen gas through this CuO and heat the content, what will happen? This CuO changes into Cu plus H2O. That is removal of oxygen. CuO having the oxygen but Cu has no oxygen. So this is removal of oxygen. Hence here CuO get reduced into the copper. So in this way you can explain the oxidation and reduction process. Now some reactions in which some reaction नहीं बल्कि all reactions reactions in which both oxidation and reduction process takes place simultaneously. This is known as redox reactions. For example, CuO react with H2 on heating CuO plus H2O. So CuO get reduced because it leaving oxygen. So it is CuO leaving oxygen. So it is a reduction. CuO get reduced into the copper, and hydrogen get oxidized because it receives oxygen from the copper oxide. So it oxidized into water. Now listen one more important line here. कॉपर ऑक्साइड ने कॉपर में रिड्यूस होते समय अपनी ऑक्सीजन हाइड्रोजन को दी है, और हाइड्रोजन ने ये ऑक्सीजन रिसीव की है और चेंज हुआ है H2O में, और इस तरह इसका ऑक्सीडेशन हुआ है. तो CuO ने हाइड्रोजन की हेल्प की ऑक्सीडाइज होने में, इसलिए CuO यहाँ क्या है, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट, यानी रिएक्शन में जिसका रिडक्शन होता है वो ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. सिमिलरली हाइड्रोजन ने हेल्प की CuO की रिड्यूस होने में. कैसे हेल्प की, ऑक्सीजन लेके हेल्प की, इसलिए हाइड्रोजन ने चूंकि रिडक्शन में हेल्प की है इसलिए ये क्या हो गया, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट, और खुद का क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन. सो व्हाट इज द डेफिनेशन ऑफ ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट? द सब्सटेंस दैट हेल्प द अदर्स टू ऑक्सीडाइज by giving the oxygen or by removing that hydrogen is known as a oxidizing agent or oxidant. That is, another name is oxidant. Similarly, what are the reducing agent? They help the other chemical to reduce them either by giving the hydrogen or by taking their oxygen. That is known as reducing agent. Is it clear? तो reducing agent कौन होंगे, जिनका खुद का क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन, और ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट कौन होंगे, जिनका खुद का क्या हो रहा है, रिडक्शन. तो हाइड्रोजन इज, क्योंकि खुद का क्या हो रहा है, ऑक्सीडेशन, इसलिए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है, और कॉपर ऑक्साइड खुद का क्या हो रहा है, रिडक्शन, इसलिए क्या है, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट और ऑक्सीडेंट. एंड दीज रिएक्शंस इन विच बोथ प्रोसेस टेक प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली नोन एज redox reactions. All the reactions, balanced chemical reactions, are the redox reactions. Other example, we will go through them and we clearly understand them. ZnO plus C changes into Zn plus CO. Here, ZnO gives its oxygen to carbon and converted it into CO and itself changes into zinc. Number 1, ZnO ने अपना ऑक्सीजन लूज किया है. ZnO plus C changes into Zn plus CO. ZnO ने ऑक्सीजन लूज किया, चेंज हुआ Zn में. सो दिस इज अ रिडक्शन ऑफ ZnO into जिंक. एंड कार्बन ने ऑक्सीजन रिसीव किया, चेंजेस इनटू CO. सो दिस इज ऑक्सीडेशन. ऑक्सीडेशन किसका हुआ, कार्बन का. किस में हुआ, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड में हुआ. बोथ प्रोसेस टेक्स प्लेस साइमल्टेनियसली. सो दिस इज ए रिडॉक्स रिएक्शन. नाउ ZnO का खुद का रिडक्शन हो रहा है और कार्बन की ऑक्सीडेशन में हेल्प कर रहा है बाय गिविंग द ऑक्सीजन. सो इट इज ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट. एंड दूसरा नाम क्या है, ऑक्सीडेंट. सिमिलरली कार्बन, इट टेक द ऑक्सीजन फ्रॉम Zn, तो इसकी ZnO, तो ZnO की इसने हेल्प की रिडक्शन में, इसलिए C क्या हो गया, रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. Another name, reductant. So in this way we define the oxidizing agents and reducing agent, redox reactions, oxidation and reduction processes. Another example, MnO2 react with 4HCl form MnCl2 plus twice H2O plus Cl2. So first you go through that. HCl remove hydrogen or it loses its hydrogen and changes into Cl2. So this is a oxidation process. That is, HCl get oxidized into Cl2. MnO2 loses its oxygen and changes into MnCl2. So MnO2, as it loses its oxygen, so it changes into, so it is it's a reduction take place and it is a oxidizing agent. Listen again. MnO2 plus 4HCl changes into MnCl2 plus twice H2O plus Cl2. In this reaction, MnO2 changes into MnCl2 by losing its oxygen. So it is a reduction. HCl loses its hydrogen and changes into Cl2. So HCl get oxidized due to loss of hydrogen. Is it clear? So MnO2 helps the HCl in its oxidation. So it is a oxidizing agent. And HCl help to reduce MnO2. That's why HCl is reducing agent. HCl is reducing agent. Is it clear? So MnO2 get reduced here and HCl is reducing agent. HCl oxidize here into Cl2. So HCl is reducing agent here. Now recall the activity 1.1. Magnesium oxide burned with a dazzling flame in air. You know, in the first example, magnesium plus oxygen changes into MgO. This is also a redox reaction. Magnesium changes into magnesium oxide. Is it clear? So it is the oxidation. And oxygen get reduced here, but in according to your limited knowledge up to class 10th, you can't explain its reduction in this limited criteria. Is it clear? Oxygen actually having the zero valency here, but here it become -2. That's why it is get reduced here. So reduction of oxygen here and oxidation of magnesium here. So it is also a redox reaction. Now next one, oxidation in our everyday life. Its first example is corrosion. Corrosion means, we will discuss this corrosion in the next topic.